Life isn't fair. Some people get rich by accident. Wrong place, right time. One lucky crypto, one random stock, one decision that turns into millions. Meanwhile, most people work their entire lives and never even get close. But here's the part nobody likes to admit. There are shortcuts. Not scams, not overnight miracles. Real leverage-based paths that actually work. And if you understand them early, you stop wasting years doing things the hard way. Before we go any further, answer this honestly. Do you want to be ultra-rich, or do you just want financial freedom? Because those are two completely different games. Most people say they want $100 million, but they've never thought about what that life actually looks like. Being ultra-rich is like playing Monopoly after the endgame. At first, it's exciting watching your money stack higher and higher. You buy properties, you build hotels everywhere. Then suddenly there's nothing left to buy. All you can do is protect the money, stress about losing it, and keep playing a game that already ended. Financial freedom is different. It's winning early and walking away. You don't need billions to live well. You don't need to build a massive company. You don't need hundreds of employees. You don't need to work 16 hours a day. Most millionaires aren't famous. Look at the richest people in the world. You won't recognize almost any of them. Money doesn't make you visible. Leverage does. Here's something most people never learn. A millionaire isn't someone who earns $1 million. It's someone whose net worth is over $1 million. Net worth is simple. It's what you own minus what you owe. Assets minus liabilities. Assets make you richer over time. Liabilities keep you running in place. Most people work hard, save money, and then accidentally buy liabilities they think are assets. That's why real estate has created so many millionaires. You don't need $500,000 to buy a $500,000 house. You put down a small percentage, you borrow the rest. Tenants pay rent. That rent pays the loan. Time increases the value. You profit from other people's money and patience. That's leverage. Now, here's a trick question. If you make $1 million, are you a millionaire? No. Taxes already took their cut. To keep $1 million, you usually need to earn closer to 2. Rule number 1 of money, the government gets paid before you do. So how do you actually make that money? You only have 4 options. You can buy and sell assets, you can earn it through a job, you can start a business, or you can combine all 3. Jobs are stable, they're lower risk, and that's why most people choose them. Businesses are risky. Most fail. And almost everyone has to fail multiple times before they figure out what actually works. The difference between high earners and everyone else isn't effort, it's leverage. Think of a lever. If you push in the wrong spot, you struggle and get nowhere. If you push in the right spot, the same effort moves massive weight. Most people spend hours polishing resumes with no real skills behind them. They apply to hundreds of jobs with nothing valuable to offer. High leverage means learning skills that actually matter. Building proof, doing real projects, getting experience. When you do that, you apply to fewer opportunities and get better results. Leverage matters even more in business. There are different levels of leverage. Labor is the first, getting other people to work for you. Capital is next, using money, yours or borrowed, to multiply returns. But the strongest leverage today is at the top. Code and media. Code lets machines work for you almost for free, all day, every day. Automation, AI, systems. Media lets you speak once and reach thousands. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, email. Instead of chasing customers, the algorithm brings them to you. And here's the most important rule of all. Money is never made by chasing money. Money is made by providing value. Every dollar you earn is proof that you solved someone's problem. Bad grades? Sell tutoring. Want to lose weight? Sell a transformation. Dirty driveway? Sell a solution. The bigger the problem, the more you can charge. The faster you solve it, the more you can charge. The easier you make it, the more you can charge. The more proof you have, the more you can charge. And the wealthier your customer, the higher your ceiling. Selling a $2 product means you need thousands of customers. Selling a $2,000 solution means a few dozen. That's leverage again. And when people ask, why not just get one big client and charge them a lot? That already exists. It's called a job. If you want more breakdowns like this, I'm collecting donations in the form of subscriptions. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.